Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this update. This is Friday, January 31st, 2020, and we're concluding another great week here at the high school and another great month. It's crazy that January has just flown by. We're 4 weeks into the school year, which means that we're coming up with a midterm and for our third 9 weeks, and that'll be Wednesday. And we'll be sending home some progress reports on Friday of next week, the 7th, just to send those home, make sure we're getting off to a good start for this third 9 weeks and our second semester. But it is going by fast, and it will fly by, and before you know it, we'll be concluding another year here at the high school. So we've had a good week this week. Academically, we have started working with our students for scheduling for the 2020-2021 school year. Your child probably brought something home to look at. If you want some questions on it, you're going to hear a big word right now called transition readiness and career pathways. It is for all of our current freshmen and below. All students have to have a career pathway, be career or college ready to graduate high school. So you're going to hear all these students from that grade level below talking about needing to be in a pathway and choosing a pathway. So they'll be bringing some information home about that. If you're curious about that, we do have some great information here on our website. If you'll look here beside me on the links just close to me, I have a link here called Transition Readiness, and that is a website from our Transition Readiness coordinator, Mr. John Miller. Has done a fabulous job of providing a lot of information for families and students to get information about not only our pathways we offer at the high school, but just about what the state requires in order for a student to graduate. I'm really proud because in my 12 years of being here at the high school, we've had about 13 pathways. This year, currently, is the most we've ever had. We have 13 pathways that we're able to offer our students here to explore and to see if that's a career they want to pursue. I'm beyond excited to mention that starting next year, we will have 26 pathways. We have doubled the amount of pathways we offer our students here. So it's an incredible opportunity for these kiddos here at this high school. We've added pathways such as teaching and learning for students who are interested in being a teacher. This is a great pathway to go through. We've added engineering, which we've never had before. We're going to be adding computer science. We've added ag business. We've added aviation. We've added JROTC, which is something this community has wanted for a long time. We've been very blessed in order to have that come to us and able to open that up for our students next year. So it's a great opportunity for our kids here at our high school. Really excited about what the future holds for us here. So that was concluded this week. You will have some students, maybe your child will be coming home asking some questions about that. So athletically, we've had a slow week this week as our Fighting Tiger basketball team was in action on Tuesday nights. They defeated Christian Academy. Our girls have been off this week, but we are in action tonight as both our Lady Tigers and Fighting Tigers will be traveling to Meade County for a big 11th District rival match. That'll be tonight, so good luck to both those teams. Good luck to both those teams tomorrow as they'll be traveling to McLean County for Saturday, February the 1st game. They'll be playing at the Owensboro Sports Center, and Lady Tigers will be playing at 3 o'clock, and our Fighting Tigers at 4:30. Our Lady Tigers will be in action on Monday, February the 3rd at Central Hardin. Our Fighting Tigers will be in action on Tuesday, February the 4th at Owensboro. Friday night, we'll see our Fighting Tigers hosted Ohio County here at Tiger Arena. Game times will be 5:30 and 7. We will be honoring two guys into the Hall of Fame that night at halftime of the Fighting Tiger game. We'll be honoring Rick Taylor and Cornell Payton and inducting them to the BCHS Hall of Fame for their work for the Breckenridge County School program. Breckenridge County High School for the years of service they've helped us out. Also, we'll be honoring our 2019 Fighting Tiger baseball team in between the ball games there, so probably right around 6:45. We'll be hanging banners for their regional championship last year and also their semi-state run that they had. And then our Lady Tigers will conclude the week as they'll be on the road Saturday at Grayson County, 5 and 6:30. And that concludes this week's Tiger Minute. I'll leave you just how we start every day here at the high school. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.